Wadonjone weche mag tuke kaendi riwruok matayo tuke mag Olympics ma pacho kaendi biro bago romo mar 40 mar committees mag Olympics mayudore pinje mag Afrika kaachiel gi romo mar twak e chenro mag omenda. Romo mokwongo ibiro bagi e kind tarik 4 gi tarik 5 dwe mar 11, kamano mar omenda ibiro bagi e kind tarik 31 dweni nyaka tarik 2 dwe mar 11. Romo go biro mana kinde machuok kapok tuke mag Olympics higa mar 2024 chakore ayanga e piny mar France.
We are very happy as a National Olympic Committee and as an executive to be having these two forums in Kenya. It will also give us other benefits. One of the benefits will be the Paris 2024 organizing team will be in Kenya, which means we'll have an opportunity to interact with them, to discuss with them, and to be able to continue our preparations for the Olympic by having one-on-one direct engagement. The second one, as you all know, we've been pursuing the Olympia Africa project, and we also have the director of Olympia Africa who will be coming to Kenya at the same time. And we have several other people like the groups who are doing the Paris 2024 ticketing program. They'll all come to Kenya because they want to have a one-stop shop to meet all the 54 NOCs.